Hey guys, this is Lali with LivingTN bringing you the Nashville Farmers Market. So this particular farmers market was established in the 1800s, but now it's only about a block away from downtown Nashville, and it was brought here around 1995. Not only do you have great fruit and produce on the weekends, you also have great food all week long. Let's check some of these places out. Let's go. Hey guys, as I mentioned, the Farmers Market hosts a plethora of different types of farmers, different types of agricultures. Come out this weekend and support your local farmers like this one, Smiley's Farm in Ridgetop. He has fruits, he has veggies, he has everything you need for a wonderful meal. So another feature of the Farmers Market is the Garden Center. It's year-round. It has a greenhouse so you can get indoor plants, outdoor plants, summer plants, winter plants, whatever your heart desires. Come check it out when you get an opportunity. Again, this was Lali with LivingTN. Talk to you later.